right, guys, let's get it. Happy Sunday fun day. I hope you guys all had a really great Thanksgiving weekend with your friends and families and loved ones. Let's get into it here. So signals already been sent out. We are gonna be selling the US dollar index. The US dollar index has dropped since this past week. So big move here, going down here for on the new trend for going down for the weekly chart here for the DXY. First target would be to break the 105.0, and then we'll see how much more further they're going to drop this going down. All right, so let's get into indices here. Indices, I believe we got indices, right? I believe so. Uh-oh, hold on. Indices. Yes, we're buying indices. Okay, so we're buying all the indices here. Looking for Wall Street, US 30 to break 45,000 this week. Might end up seeing that tomorrow. So we will see what we're going to be doing here. Don't forget, we are flipping it. We're doing a flipping challenge on an account. So I'll get back to you guys on that as well. Buying S&P 500, looking for this pair to break back to 6,100. That's going to be my first target. And then we'll see how much more it's going to try and drive itself up here. Let's see. NASDAQ, as for NASDAQ, not so hot, but it is still up. So still looking for NASDAQ to break 21,000 and then see if it's going to repat or it's trying to do a pass on 21,296 here. That's all I'd be looking at for NASDAQ. Okay, we're buying gold and silver, looking for gold to break back to first target would be 27.70. No, 26.70. And then the next move would be breaking 26.90. And then the final move would be 2700. So breaking it every $20 in value here. And we'll see if gold makes its way back to retest the resistance at 27.30. And then for silver, looking for silver to break $31 in value. And then my final move would be to see if it's going to go past 31.50 or 31.60 here on the weekly here. UK going down hard. So massive move going down, inverted hammer pin candle here, closing down on a weekly, just right under 140. First move would be come down 139. And then we'll see where it goes from there. So 139 is going to be my main target. And then from there, we'll see how much more it's going to drop. UJ going down hard this past week here. So looking for UJ to go down to 149.0 and then 148.0 and then 147.0. And then selling U-Swiss, selling this pair back down to 87.5. 87.5, that'd be the first target. And then the final move would be to come down to 87 here, 87.0. And then let's see here. Euro, buying Euro, looking for Euro to break 106, and then we'll see if it sustains a move above 106. Overall, it is still on a downtrend, but like I said, we'll see if it breaks the downtrend line here, the trend line. Euro British pound going down, selling this thing back down to 82. And then after that, I think that's all I'm going to shoot for is 82. It's at 82.9, so I'm looking for 82.0. And then for the pound, looking for the pound to come up to 128. And then we'll see if it's going to break up to 129 from there. But 128 is going to be the main target. And so I'm going to outline this. Same thing as Euro, the trend line here on the weekly. We'll see if it actually breaks above this and sustains its move back above that for sure. Yeah. Same thing for Euro. I'm just going to outline this again for you guys. Same setup. So we'll see if it can break up, like I said, break 106 and then sustain above the trend line on the downward one on the weekly here. All right, guys. All right. Let's go down. Buying Australia and New Zealand. To buy both these pairs. Looking for the Australian dollar to hit 65.448 on the main weekly target here. Oh, hold on, yeah, 6.065. Oh, maybe not 6.655. Hit this first target for a 6.5500, and then the second target would be to come way up to 66 here, 66.0 here. Same thing for New Zealand. Very similar setup to a euro and the pound. Drawing my trend line here, going down. Looking for a move sustained above 59. What was it 59? 59's 562 right here. Okay. And then my final target be for it to shoot up to 60 here. So it's very similar setup to euro and pound drawn on the weekly trend line here. I like using weekly trend lines, so just gives me another confirmation bias on this. Remove that. As far as for news, let's get into news here. We should have NFP. NFP is this Friday. So we're gonna get NFP is this Friday. We got the ISM in the morning. Jolts, CPI for Swiss, GDP for Australia, ISM again for US, and then Fed Chair Powell is speaking at 12:45 on Wednesday during New York sessions. OPEC meetings all day on Thursday for those that like to trade oil. And then Friday, we are coming on, finishing off with non-farm payroll. So we shall see how that all plays out. Other than that, I think that's all we got. So yeah, other than that, anything, let me know in the Telegram chat group here for the traders are VIP. Other than that, I wish you guys another awesome, positive day, Sunday fun day. And that's it. If there's anything, comment or message me on Telegram. Peace out, guys. All right, guys. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving weekend. We are back into trading and a happy new month for December 1st here. Let's get into it and talk about crypto. I just switched up the positions to buy. So let's get to it here. So switched up positions into buying. Everything is green for the major coins here. So Bitcoin is trying to make this move back to 98,000. That's going to be the first target, and then we'll see if it's going to try and shoot for 100K. That's going to be the big move here. For Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to see if break up a new high, closing in on 3,800, and then we'll see if it makes a jump up to 4,000 for this month before the holidays kick in. Let's see, Litecoin is trying to make it move up back to 110. That's me, my first target off the wick here. And then we'll see if it does anything else after that. Shiba's got a big jump for today. Jumped all the way up to how much here? 3,324. So we'll see how much more it's gonna try and make a new high here. 19% gain for Shiba for sure here. Dogecoin is kind of just sitting here at the same price, 43.7 cents here in value. So the main goal right now is to see if it'll break above 45 and back to 50 cents here. Ripple, let's see here. Ripple's almost at $2 here. Ripple's almost at $2 in value. Really nice gain here. We'll see how much more it's gonna keep going up from here. Neo, let's see, almost $16 here, $15.99. My move would be just to shoot above 16, and we'll see if it sustains its price from there. Dash, big move here for Dash, 4.62% gain of the day. So at 41.32 in value. And the next move would be to shoot for 42. We'll see if it sustains above 42 to 43. Let's see here, Solana coming down. Solana's down at 237. Zcash is coming down at 56. Under 57 here. And then Tezos is also losing steam here. So notice how some cryptocurrencies are still up, and then there are some that are still down, but majority are up. So I'm just paying close attention to the top major coins here, and then we'll see what if Bitcoin actually makes a move to sustain above 98,000, and then we'll see if it makes a move to 100K for this month before Christmas. We'll see how that all plays out. So other than that, any questions, concerns in the analysis, or if you're not too sure about buying crypto, let me know in the Telegram chat group, guys. Peace out.